5 easy exercises that will slim your waist and widen your hips in just a few days. Want to make your waist thinner and your hips wider in an hourglass shape? Yes, it's totally possible. And we're here to show you how in moments you'll start a super 8-minute workout with 5 of the best exercises to slim your waist and widen your hips. Include this workout in your daily exercise routine and watch inches disappear from your waist in record time. So don't waste any time. Put on your workout clothes and subscribe to receive workouts and valuable tips like this daily. What are you waiting for? Put on your workout clothes and let's get started.
Let's go!
Feel uninvited. Left you home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her.
Stop.
I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
Let's go.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me.
Stop.
Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive.
Let's go!
I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up, cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me
Stop.
no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Let's go!
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love.
Stop.
So come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Let's go!
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
Stop.
Let's go! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Feel uninvited. Left you home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired.
Stop.
On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know
Let's
I
go.
love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
Stop.
End of workout. Good job. Did you make it this far? Congratulations.